Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the PrimeXBT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT app on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you will see the sign up and login button. To create your new account, tap on the sign up button, and now you will be able to use your email address. And you also have the option to continue with your Google account directly. Just enter your preferred email address and then enter your desired password for your account. Then click on the sign up button, and now you will be prompted to enter the PIN that you have received within your email. So just check your inbox and you will find your PIN code. Just enter this code within the given box, and now you can choose your country of residence. After this, you will be prompted to set up a passcode for your application. So just type in your desired passcode and then type it in once again for confirmation. If you wish to use biometric authentication, you can also tap on the OK button after entering your passcode. And once you provide your fingerprint for verification, you can now start creating your first trading account. Just choose the kind of account that you wish to proceed with, and now you can begin to trade with your real account or practice using a demo account right away. It is recommended to practice on a demo account first and then move on to real trading. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the PrimeXBT application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.